welcome back to my channel. I'm Zai, and I am here to drop gems on you today. Are you guys feeling the look? Period. Because she had to get cute for you guys. As you can see, we're in a different setup. We are in my office, my home office, and this is where we do indie. Where we do indie. But yes, so I wanted to drop some gems on you and just kind of, well, not some gems, but I wanted to just show you guys what I've been up to during the pandemic, how I've been hustling. Get into the bag because your girl is an entrepreneur, okay? And she will forever be an entrepreneur because she's about that entrepreneur life. As you guys know, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you see that I have a brand. I hand make handbags, and I hand make masks, and I hand make swim and clothing and fur jackets and just everything, basically. I hand make everything. So over the pandemic, I was like, girl, like, you have to, like, this pandemic is not gonna break you. Unfortunately, the pandemic was unfortunate for a lot of people, and it's very, very, very sad because a lot of people went broke, a lot of people lost their jobs, a lot of people died, a lot of people got sick, loved ones sick. But for some reason, I took this such a terrible situation and I said, you know what, this is gonna make me stronger as a businesswoman, as a person, just in general. So let me move her over here. I got this today, a new candle, period. And we're gonna move this here. I can't, no, that's too much. Sometimes the aesthetic can be too much. You gotta know when to say it's now, okay? My ponytail keeps messing up. I want it a certain way. I want it to just stay like this the entire video. I'm just not gonna move. I want it to stay like this the entire video. I'm just not gonna move, okay? Anyways, like I was saying, I wanted to make this, like, come out stronger and wiser as a businesswoman, as a person. Don't take life for granted, and just whatever I want to do in this lifetime, just do it, for the simple fact of showing that life is really just too short. Like, a lot of people's lives were ended this year, but we're not gonna make this video about, like, really sad and all that, but it was a very sad year, you know, but a lot of good did happen. So anyways, in this video, judging by the title, you see what is y'all right, how I was able to generate over $4,000 in sales from being an entrepreneur during the pandemic. So we're gonna get into how I did that. Oh, let's go. Okay, so I have my little handy dandy notebook, as you see, because y'all know I love this book, and I don't know how I didn't run out of pages yet. I'm about to though, but I have like 10,000 other ones. So anyways, over the pandemic, I made over $4,000, and this was by having two different incomes business wise. I have my, you know, personal income, of course, for bills and all that good stuff, but this was two incomes where I was hustling this pandemic. I'm saying it like it was a season, but it kind of was. So yeah, so a lot of people during the pandemic was, I'm sorry, I keep saying pandemic. I know it's kind of annoying, but I'm just gonna say during the situation. A lot of people during the situation was hitting me up like, yo, you are a designer, you are that girl, you are it. Why aren't you making masks? And every time I was thinking to make masks, I'm like, oh, it's too late. The pandemic's almost over. Oh, it's too late. The situation is almost over. Oh, everybody's not going to be wearing masks for that long. Oh, nobody's going to buy my mask. Just self-doubting. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Just self-doubting. So then I was just like, you know what? F it. what's the worst that can happen? Like, what's the worst that can happen? Nobody buy it? Okay, well, you know, like, that is very bad if nobody buys it. But I was like, you know what, let me still make it. Let me make some stuff, put it out there, see how people react to it. That's what I did. Everyone loved them. My first day, I made like $200. I was like, girl, I was like, y'all love me. Like, I was so flippin' happy. I'm just thankful for all of you guys that supported me during the pandemic. I know money was funny, money was tight, but you guys did not show me that. You still supported, because this was an essential product that you guys needed. So I was an essential worker, you know what I'm saying? And I provided a service, and I was glad to provide that service for you guys to be able to be safe during these trying times, okay? So anyways, yes, I was making face masks. I had the ones that you tied, like you tie the first loop, you tie the second loop. I'll try to insert a picture of what that looked like. And I'm still currently selling face masks as well. This is not something that's over. And then I was selling these as well. These are my top sellers. I made a whole collection to match this material with the swimsuits. So yeah, these, I have different prints, some plain prints, and just, I have so many. And then I was doing some of the custom ones, so you can put your name on it. You can put your, just whatever, anything you want to put. If you want to put Glamour Girl 123, I was making it, okay? I was doing what it do. I was sewing my little fingers off. Child, there was days where I just was like, I'm tired. Like, I was so tired. But it was so worth it, because look at the outcome, you know? So yeah, my mask retails currently for $12 for the mask that I just showed you, and $15 for the tie mask, so that, you know, ties behind your head, and then $20 for the customized mask, so you can have your name across the cheek, your business, whatever you wanted to have to promote, or just have a mask that's cute. I did kids masks, men's, women's, the whole nine, you name it. And I know I'm referring to past tense, but I am still currently making masks. So if you guys want to check out my Instagram or my business page, or my website, I'm sorry guys, I'm a little crazy, it will be right here, and it will be in the description down below for you to go shop. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Support Black owned business, you know what I'm saying? And lastly, my second income was from my health bar. So during the pandemic, I had my own health bar. I was juicing and smoothieing and health shotting and teaing and all that good stuff. I will show you my menu right here or here. It'll be somewhere over here. Maybe I'll put it here. Maybe I'll put it here. But that is my menu. I featured smoothies, health shots, teas, like teas to cure you from any sicknesses, just everything. Yeah, I said smoothies, health shots, teas, and it was something else. And juices. Yes, I was juicing my life away. So between making making masks and juicing, so during the day I would juice all day. People would hit me up at like 11 in the morning to say, listen, they'll put their order in, I need my order for 5 o'clock today, I need my order for 3 o'clock today. I was delivering the juices. Sometimes I would get a little tip, and I would put the money right back into my, I would put my juicing money here, I would put my indie money here. So I separated the two because I wanted to see how much I made at the end. So currently I am not juicing right now, But I can, you know what I'm saying? I can if you want some juice or something good. So I actually was helping a lot of people that were sick with the coronavirus, that were just not feeling well, that wanted to boost their immune system because they are afraid of catching the coronavirus. I helped so many people, and I was once again an essential worker. Okay. Once again, I was an essential worker, and I'm so proud of that. I was so happy and honored that people trusted me to help keep them healthy. And I was juicing myself to keep myself healthy, to keep my family healthy. My family supported my business. It was just amazing, like, honestly. So if you guys, so that was my menu. I was posting it on, I was advertising through Instagram, through Facebook, and people were supporting for both, because mask was essential, and it still is very essential, and that's why people are still purchasing masks. And juicing was very essential because you want to stay healthy. You want to know that you less acceptable to contract the coronavirus or to catch the coronavirus, because that was just like, you know, whew. Even though we're still in the pandemic, I wanted to make this video just to show you currently where I'm at with those sales. And I started super late, and I'm just telling you guys, it's never too late. If you want to do something, do it. It's needed. Even if it's selling light switches, like, that's needed. Everyone needs a light switch, literally. Like, everyone needs to be able to turn their light on and turn their light off. So you are always needed. You are essential, like, seriously, no matter what it is. If you're selling freaking mood rings, like, people want to know what mood they're in. Like, I'm telling you, you are essential. So it doesn't matter what your dream is. Yeah. So during a trying time, you can still make money. Start that business. It is okay. Don't think oh, you can't start it because it's a pandemic, or you can't start it because nobody has money and nobody's gonna support you. It would have been cute if the shirt was like this, but it's not, and it's okay. But yes, like I said, you are essential, guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue with the video. And then lastly, I almost forgot the big shebang. The big shebang. I had a virtual pop-up shop. Have you ever heard of it? Probably not, because I've never heard of it. My boyfriend actually low-key made it up, and he was just like, yo, you should do something virtual, because everything is like virtual. And because every year I have my annual pop-up shop that I like to do. Shout out to everybody that always supports. And I was like, I cannot do it this year because it is a pandemic. Like, I'm so sad. Like, what am I gonna do? Like, oh my god, this is ruining the tradition. But come to the rescue, he said, do something virtual. And I said, nobody's gonna like that. Once again, doubting myself. Nobody's gonna like that. Nobody's gonna purchase. How are they gonna see the stuff? I came up with this whole master plan, and you know what I did? I mastered it, and that's on period. I mastered it. I sold out. People were begging for more product. It was crazy. Yeah, I sold out. And then some people that didn't tune in, they were like, oh my god, can I get this? Can I get? I'm like, girl, it's sold out. Boy, it's sold out. You should have attended the virtual viewing, the virtual seeing. So it was really cool. So I exceeded my expectations. I was only thinking I was gonna make about $500, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna be satisfied with that. It's more than what I had, you know. Your girl ended up racking up $2K. Okay, she ended up racking up $2K, and I was just so proud of myself. People weren't even in person, and they were supporting people that I didn't know, people that I knew, people that, you know, that bought before for my business. It was just amazing. It was amazing, and it was all virtual. I made $2,000, and I was just so excited. So selling my mask, I made over 1K. Selling my juices for my health bar, I made 1K. And selling for my virtual pop-up shop, I made 2K. So that it was a little over $4,000, and I've just been hustling ever since. The grind don't stop. Your girl is still. I just stopped right there, like to count up how much I tallied, like to tally how much I generated during the pandemic aside from what I'm making now, just to show you how hard I was going in that little bit of time. It was maybe like, it was literally less than, it was maybe like if 4 months. So yeah, that's pretty good in my eyes, just for the fact of little like side hustles and spot of the moment things and coming up with creative ideas, things that you never heard before, and people supporting. So I was just feeling really blessed about that. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for those that have supported, and my YouTube family, I love you guys for following me, for staying tuned in every video that I make. And let's get to 2K, guys. Let's get to 2K subscribers. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I've been doing this YouTube for a very long time, and I know I can go harder with it, and I am. So I'm gonna go so hard. I'm gonna give you so much more entrepreneurial, is that a word, entrepreneurial? Let me know in the comments down below. So much more like entrepreneurial style videos. I'm going to show you how I ship my packages, how to create a business, just so many different videos I have in mind, and I'm so excited. So make sure you guys comment down below some ideas that you may have for this new segment of the entrepreneur life. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. But I love you guys for watching. I love you guys for tuning in every week. Yes, I cut my hair. It's shorter, as you can see. If you didn't see my last video of me botching cutting my hair, make sure you click up here and I will show you what the heck I did to my hair. But I cut it myself, and it was a fail. But yeah, I cut my hair, guys. But you know, it will grow back, hopefully. Hopefully, you know, hopefully. But yes, so make sure you guys subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and let me know, what did you feel about this video? Any suggestions? How do you feel? Did this motivate you? I hope this video motivated you to start that business, to continue with that business. If you are feeling stagnant and stuck, keep going, rebrand, do something exciting for your business that you've never, something that takes you out of your comfort zone, because a lot of times I get so uncomfortable. Lastly, I wanted to tell you guys that I made a new Instagram page for my business, okay? The last Instagram I had, something happened. Let's just say something happened, and I had to make a new one. So make sure you guys are following my new Instagram page, please. Okay, please make sure you follow my new Instagram page. And I don't know what else to say. And follow my personal page right here at the Diana Francis. Shout out your girl, DM me, let's chat, let's be friends. And yeah, I'm very friendly, so if you don't know, now you know. But yes, so she must go now. I love you guys for watching. Bye.